ambao walifikiria wanaweza kukusongea mbele ndio usisonge, wachana nao sasa. Amsha, mtuliza bahari. Maybe hata wale hukusukuma wako ndani ya shida kama yako. Ai mutiranyita. Andu amwe aria magutindikaga ri, amwe methe na ine tawaku. Riu mareruta ruo nawe. Kuna watu wako ndani ya shida kama yako, lakini wanatumia shida yao ndenda kugata kujituliza. Marehoreria thina wao nawe. Joroge Pastor Julius, marehoreria thina wao. That is why nowadays I don't answer anybody now. I don't argue with anybody. Dakimenyire social media ni kuri mundu ukiraga erute ruo. We ngoro yake tigwo ihoreru agurarie yaku. We ni wo gutua matua kana ngoro yaku ni ri guraraga. Nyambu, si nilikufunza? Si wewe leo ni general. Nyambu ndagereire maundu ma social media. Mamutindikire ngimwita. Mwira Nyambu. Acio andu marakutindika ri marenda kwiguithia wega na ndeto ciaku nigetha we utigwo kigurara. Ome mwena uria ungi ni maigua ta meturiza. Are you together? We nayo kambururuka nao kuria akororia ayo mena Jefferson aya ndumorie wira wa blogger ukoragwo go spike out reactions. Wira blogger ti undu ungi ukoragwo go spike out reaction, na nikio utakona mekirite mundu utoikaine matiekira nduri ndi ukona kururia kirite samidura mera ne atia na muguri no toyu samidura ri angioria Julius ki na history ya Julius no imwe dawa that is story igi no rociniri no na goka mundu koya bisha ya Pastor Ben na gakaje kira udi na thuti njega muno na gakandika kiugo kimwe kuri Reverend Ben ekagia comments giricigana ekwendaga oguo. Praise the name of the Lord. No ruona mundu akirite bisha ashikuria bitu wako uria tishikwaruga mitaikubiniria Ngai tikigo kimwe kuri no wonaga mundu okira kiugo kimwe kuri Samido. Tano Samido no yokuguciria comments giriko. Their job is to spike out reactions. Riria ndamenyire oguo, write whatever you want, fly with whatever you want, andika uria wothe urenda. I don't care. Jesus is in my boat. Tulisemanagia nawe fara wetereire ngwe ukarigwo. This person is still driving. Riria ukamenya Jesu egataruini gaku, no any news, no any person will ever sink your boat. Hakuna mtu, hakuna kitu kitawai angusha boat. Deure, me I don't need comments on Facebook. Me I need souls. That's now the difference between me and Jefferson or Kururia. It is to build their platform for business. Todo ne adverts na niwega ne genagira ne amaka okanitha. No ne kore ona matagucagireria business. Todo na matiendaga kumenyeka. But my job as a priest, as a servant of God, is to win only one soul. To me, one soul is more than 1,000,000 comments. One soul. Moyo? Ni riranyo na goroyo kaha. Ni ne dawini. Praise the name of the Lord. Now that is the difference between a preacher and a blogger. When I was a blogger, needed a comments. Alamana afuata from kitambo. When I was a blogger, dedaga comments. Nowadays, dedaga souls. Na nikiona matengera page ni akwa guthoma spiritual messages. Either you comment or what, one soul will benefit from the message. Na niguo ndenda ku recruit adwa JCM. become winners of souls. Whatever you post on your page, let it win a soul. Make sure that you bring a soul in the kingdom. Praise the name of the Lord. Na hiyo tu tondu ni ngeragia gwiciria njoroge kana miaka ingi 20 ona ni tugakoragwo na interest ya Facebook, ona no korwa mwanyu guku ni makoo mariganirwo password ugikurire kai twatigia miaka igana haya dutare miaka ingi 20 ugokorwo ha Mr. Chance 20 years to come. How old will you be? 76. Rumudhiru wa 76 yono ngeburog nake papasi miaka 20 ugokorwo ki nona miaka ingi 20 iroka ono gikande kondo wa papasi nduri unduga korwo kiradu tondu hindi yo ora andika cia papasi na ke chemist akigura dawa cia arthritis. Damoga kona miaka igana 20 years to come. Igwe 50 kidu. How old are you, Miss Charles? Tuge miaka ingi 20 iroka 75 maginya ona matiga kwa muka ine hare nisi yana ko ikira the empire. So remember, whatever that we are doing, time is coming, time is carrying us. In the next 20 years I'll be almost 60 years. Riu miaka 63 nisi ana cia asen ngaragia nacio ka de Facebook na no kone gathia Facebook ne kuingirirwo oka June kunja take orore utheri wa arari tuduka ko geria mieri eriko mieri yo joroe time is coming joroge 20 years to come. No keyboard no hurithiro ni mundu gukuhuthira keyboard no hurithiro ni mundu. I want to tell you so that everybody position yourself 20 years to korania. What did you brought to the kingdom? Niki warehire uthamaki-ini tondu menya me andu aingi miaka ngiroka ni miaka iria yokuru mundu etigagira gukua. Miaka iroka mathwa irio 20, you be around 80 something. 80 something ni miaka iria waragia nginya na nyau na nguku yahiuka mbere yaku ndukunjoragani tondu kiria uretigira no kururia harinde goka andu matiga gugwitigira metigirage gikuo kaba kugucio muoyo omwe ukeganagira ati nie ni ndafuatirwo ni ng'ani akihonoka ni ndahunjirie ng'ani akihonoka ni ndakeire muthuri uria mucie ciana ciake igicenjerio muturire ni ndahingurire ikombe ria Ngai hindi yakwa andu matiakuire ni ng'aragu haria ndaikaraga. That is how we will prove to people that our boats did not sink. Miaka 20 ibu weka mathabu waje kuiguira tha miaka 20 iro 20 years ona ti meigi 20 years ukaragiria nginya nyau ohorerete riko egatonya umaku ne otororete mukaga yora nyau ogethie gwikira hau nginya omirage ti cia kuoka riraha na ndo sinisumbue nyau ona gutire mundu acugurika nawe muraniria miaka 20 iroka. It is very right kuguthana na reality ngina miaka 20 wakorwo ikombe kuria muci ona hari ugakorwo akorwo mukuru kamuikambaga cucu uretigira kara korora oguo ukamenya uyu ndagika o yothe no andue nguku uyu ugatiga no horo wake 20 years to come. It is a challenge to everybody. Praise the name of the Lord. What matters, how many lives will you change? How many people will you help? How many children will go to school because you are here? How many people will benefit from your age right now? Jesu nejo yoko ne agiakinyirie miaka yake okuru ne agiaugaga na twiria-ini ne ndahonokirie atumwakwa. What will be a story 20 years to come? Rise up on your feet and tell